Okay, so this is my light switch that I made for the living room, and those are real fossils and real shark teeth. And I made it look like it's a shoreline with some water going up it and then sand up on the beach. That's a real piece of fossilized wood, or what do you call it? Not fossilized, but whatever. You know what I mean. But look how cool that looks. Isn't that beautiful? Every bit of that's fossilized stuff. And, well, the little rocks I put in there. And then the sand that's on top of it, that come from Myrtle Beach. The little bits of sand right there on top of the wood. I think that looks amazing, you guys. What do you guys think? That is so cool. What did she do?
Nothing. You controlled it.
Y'all.
I could you hand it for her. Where's over there? She could get that.
Hey, y'all too.